Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're looking at the Krotten Trojan. So this Trojan is kind of similar to Grow in the way that it does things. What I mean by that is you find not be it for May. It's that the Grow anymore. And Krotten does this in some way where it uses the registry to completely change the system. It's more usable than with Grow, but it's still kind of annoying and different. So let's go ahead here. We'll rename this to a exe file. And you'd probably use this file as, hey, check this out, or hey, here's this cracked popular game that you're not going to pay for. And of course, just none of it's just a virus. Anyhow, we'll run it and get this message. Not as aggressive as I compare this to Grow a lot because they are kind of similar in these things. This voice is not nearly as aggressive as Grow. It's not, this sucks, that sucks, that's life, blah blah. But it sucks with a bunch of gibberish. My assumption, I haven't looked into it, is that this should be a different language, but because the language pack isn't installed, it doesn't show the proper characters. It could be Mandarin or it could be Mandarin or something like that. I don't know. We do get a bit of English here in the email word, some gibberish, and then what was it? A possibly valid email. Although isn't .de German? But German uses English letters. Anyhow. So, you might see that, you're confused, okay, maybe it's broken, whatever, and go about your day. Let's go see the internet, shall we? Good old Internet Explorer. And poetry.rotten.com/lightning. That's not my homepage. I also like the door that has changed the title bar to this garbage. So, many years ago, the site used to show a picture of someone who got struck by lightning. Just not the prettiest sight. No pun intended there. But now the website doesn't work even if I try it on a modern machine, or a modern bird, I should say. Try to enable copy. I go into Edge here and paste it. You get nothing. So that's the link, and I should show you guys here. The internet does work. And there you go. This is a bit dated here, but it's an old brother. And you can't close the Internet Explorer, which is odd. I assume they wanted to stare at the image of the guy who got struck by lightning, but there is no image, and you can just change the website. So who knows? What you can do is bring up. Oh, you can't bring the task manager. If you can't get the task manager up, you can bring up a command prompt. By that logic. You can just kill Internet Explorer. So, you cannot do a whole lot. The start menu has been shrunk down by a few inches. All this stuff is still here. EXE still works just fine. I get an Explorer window. Yep, it's a bit different. C drive? Nope. Can't do the C drive again, bastards. You can't reboot either. Let's do a log off here. Oh, log back on. Oh, danger. There's the email address again. The word email again, twice. You go into the XP window, and my icons are gone. My display has shrunk. Why they did this, I don't know. It's kind of funny at first, but what is the point? The time is not in letters, so that's cool. That still works, but the time is now OOE. Is that before or after 6 p.m.? I don't know. the settings are still shut down. And yeah. Can I get an Explorer window up? Yes. Can I do a whole lot? No. So, what would it take to get rid of this? Oh, you can't close this window. Whatever. I want to see, can I get my number drive still? Yes. Okay, I need to eat, right? Okay, cool. I didn't cover it what I'm trying to say, but we'll try to remove what I have from many years ago. CD. What is it under? Or again, there. CD. It says CD Trojan. Please, I can do this. Yes. Yeah. Okay. We now have the repair tool. I do notepad repair .bat. This is from 2014. Here are all the original keys. I'll try to make sure I put this in the description. But it. This is what did it. It has changed for us. There's quite a bit here. Actually, the rule tool is all just deleting and modifying extra keys. Not nearly as bad as Rule does it. But yeah. So I can copy repair back to C. That's the XP, hold on. That's my user name. Just TechSavvvvy, yeah. Okay, let's go to on the virtual. That's completed successfully. I'm gonna log off. That message is now going. Log back in and voila, all is normal. Plus state virtual. If I could run share the network drive, I just decided not to. But yeah. So next month's video, we're gonna run Gruel and Krotten together. Kind of like we're going back and forth in the Gruel room. I forget, but what a combination actually destroys the system entirely, so you cannot boot it. We might try to fix it. We probably will for fun. For system goes. But yes, that is the Krotten Trojan. Once again, I'll show you the code for it. I will try to put it in the description of the video. But yeah, it just changes all these retro keys. Mostly, I just deleting all of them. And they always are, at the desktop, which Trojan use. This legal notice is the message you got at the logon screen. No close, stopping you from closing export windows. No control panel, talking about no drives. Hitting the drawer uses to go to the C drive. Just a bunch of stupid shit. So, in export restrictions, no browser closed. Why is that even an option? What purpose would it serve to stop the user from closing the web browser? I guess you're in like I can kind of see that if it's like a public computer, like a kiosk type thing. I guess I could see that being helpful. No navigation buttons. I know that's going. Just deal with temperature and Reddit, of course. I didn't show that, but I need to check Reddit. But that's what it all does as a Krotten Trojan. It's, like I said, it's similar to Gruel, but different. The way it works though is pretty much the same. It just adds a shit ton of bullshit mystery keys to fuck with the system. So I hope y'all enjoyed the demonstration. Like I said, next month we're doing Gruel and Krotten together. I'm gonna try to fix the system. Should make a interesting video at least. And yeah, hope you all enjoyed. Listen, guys, take it easy.